Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Intel. We initially shared a report on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 26, 2024, our system has ranked Intel as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.86. Now, let's dive into how the stock has actually performed during this period. Surprisingly, Intel stock has exceeded our system's prediction, with a gain of 0.87%. This means that on average, it has achieved a daily return of 0.07% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 5.47% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -1.94% to 24.89%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 59.53% change over the next year, with a potential return between 38.84% and 92.84%. This suggests a price range of $61.13 to $84.91 after 1 year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock price closed at $44.03 on Monday, showing a gain of 1.66%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 12, 2024, the Intel stock price increased from $43.31 to $44.03, marking a 1.66% gain. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $43.32 and a high of $45.04, showing a 3.97% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has increased by 0.43% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 49 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $2.16 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate a potential shift in the market in the coming days. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price is 14.13% or $7.25 below the 52-week high and 36.46% or $25.26 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, with a price of $69.29. Analyst ratings. Starting with the latest update, on Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs downgraded Intel with a sell grade and a hold action. Moving on to the previous update, on Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. Going further back, on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Intel as neutral with an initialize action. In another report, on Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham rated Intel as neutral with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general neutral rating. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as neutral. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a favorable buy rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel. Let's dive in. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning. It is important to closely monitor the stock. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could potentially impact the short-term development of the stock. Currently, the Intel stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This means the stock has a more negative forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $46.45. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $42.96. Pay attention to a potential breakup through the long-term average, as it would give another buy signal. Conversely, if the stock falls below the short-term average, it would add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by 13.26%. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 219 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $43.65. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Throughout the day, Intel stock experiences average movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.72 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 3.97% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.19%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price with its per-share earnings. Intel's P/E ratio is currently very high, indicating that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's worth noting that it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is expected to be released on April 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this quarter are at $0.160. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. If Intel experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $45.18. If you haven't bought any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Intel faces a downward movement, its first support level can be found at $43.65. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Intel, as per multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Hoddard Justin conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 75,659 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 6,503 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sell of 3,225 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sell of 34,145 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 7.600. Overall, insiders have purchased 378,438 shares and sold 440,641 shares in the last 100 trades. Our evaluation for this stock is negative, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Intel stock a good buy? When evaluating Intel stock, we have identified several negative signals, leading us to believe that it may perform weakly in the near future. However, it is important to note that our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock and found that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 13th, we expect Intel to open with a $0.1000 increase and start trading at $44.13. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a specific stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.